Good morning, class 11th. So today we continue exercise 1.6. Our next topic, practical problems on union and intersection of the two sets. This we have to continue. Okay. Now a property is there, that first one, n a union b is equals to n a plus n b. If a intersection b is the finite set, and this is the general form of it. This one. Second one. This one. This will be the formula. Mark it. N a union b will be equals to na plus nb minus n a intersection b. This will be the general form of two sets. Mark it. This will be the formula of next exercise. Now after that, this will be the formula of three sets: n a union b union c, na plus nb plus nc minus n a intersection b minus n b intersection c minus n a intersection c plus na intersection b intersection c. Now we start the exercise directly. Then after we do the examples. Now first question. First I will write the formula on board. First one is that if x and y are two sets, then nx is given, ny is given. What is the formula? Exercise will be 1.6. First one. Now nx, first I will write the formula here. Na union b and a union b will be equals to na plus nb minus n a intersection c. This will be the formula. Na plus nb minus n a intersection b. Now first one is nx is given, the number of element in x is given. It will be 17. Number of elements in y will be 23. Then nx union y will be 38. Number of elements in x union y will be 38. We have to find intersection one. So what will be the formula? Nx union y will be equals to nx plus ny minus nx intersection y for this one. Now union is given, that 38, x will be 17, 23. This we have to find nx intersection y. This will be shifted here. That 17 plus 23 minus, it will be 38. So nx intersection y will be 2. 40 minus 38 will be 2. Now second question. If x and y are two sets such that x union y is given, x has means nx will be given 8 elements and y will be given 15 elements. You have to find intersection one. Same question that we done right now. Second one will be your homework question. Question number second. Now third one. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi and 250 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Okay, this one I will do. Second question will be homework. Third question, that in a group of 400 peoples, means union is given, that n h union e, Hindi union English will be given 400. Then the number of students in Hindi who speak Hindi is 250 and number of students who speak English will be 200. Now we have to find that can speak both, means intersection we have to find that n h union e is equals to nh plus n e minus n h intersection e. NH union will be value is what? 400. NH will be 250 plus 200 minus this we have to find. It will be shifted here. 250 plus this will be 450 minus 400, and answer will be 50 students are 50 people are there who can speak both English and Hindi. 400, 250. Now question number 4. If S and T are two sets such that S has 21 elements and T has 32 elements, intersection has 11, union you can find applying this simple formula. A very easy question is there. Fourth one will be the homework. Fifth one, I will do fifth one. A simple formula is there, all the questions based on that formula only. Fifth one question. Fifth is X and Y have two sets such that X has 40 elements, means Nx will be given 40, and X union Y is given 60. And Nx intersection Y is also given. Intersection is 10. You have to find Y. What is the formula? Nx union Y is equals to Nx plus Ny minus Nx intersection Y. Nx union Y is 60, 40, this we have to find, minus 10. That's 60, 40 minus 10, 30 Ny, and 60 minus 30, 30, means the number of elements in Y will be 30. Fifth question answer is 30. Now sixth one. In a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea and coffee. Each person like at least one of the two drinks. How many people like both coffee and tea? Okay, sixth one. In a group of 70 people, 17 people are there, coffee and tea. Union is given 17 people, and 37 like coffee, means N of C is given, and T1 will be 52. How many people like both coffee and tea? Intersection you have to find. That 70 minus 37 and minus 52, you will get the intersection. 70 minus 37, it will be 38, 39, 43, 23. And 52, that one also. That 7, that this one will be added to this. So now check. And C union T is equals to NC plus NT minus N C intersection T, and C union T will be 70, 37 plus 52 minus N C intersection T it will be shifted here. At 37 plus 52, that 9, 89, and this will become 70. It will be 19. So 19 students who will take tea and coffee both. Now in a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis only, not cricket, and how many like tennis? 7th one I will do, and 8th one will be your homework question. Same, only 8th one. 7th one a little bit different. 2 questions he is asking. Seventh one is, in a group of 65 people, means total our union is given 65 and C union T. That cricket and tennis both 65, okay, and 40 like cricket means NC is given, and tennis will be 10 like both cricket and tennis. C intersection T, 10 like both. How many like tennis only? Only tennis, not cricket. And how many like tennis? What is the difference between this? How many like tennis only, not cricket, and how many like tennis? In this one, cricket was not included. In this, how many like tennis? In this one, it will be included as a cricket also. Okay. Now apply the formula NC union T. It will be NC plus NT minus NC intersection T. N will be the number of things. Now C union T is what? 10. NC is 40. NT is, we have to find number of tennis minus intersection is, intersection union is given 65. This will be 10. Okay, 65, 40. 40 minus 10, 30. 65 minus 30. NT, 35. That the number of player who like tennis only. Tennis only, not cricket. In this one, only tennis one player will like. No one who is liking that cricket only. Cricket also. So 35, the number of player who playing tennis. 35 is the answer of this one. How many like tennis? This one. Because in this one, both the players are included. Who playing cricket and tennis both in this one. Cricket also is playing and tennis also is playing. But I want now who like tennis only, not cricket. Means cricket one or how many are there? Cricket one, intersection one. How many are there? They are playing both cricket and tennis. They are 10. So we have to find for only tennis. Like tennis only. Only tennis one means 35 minus whatever the common one playing both the games will be 10. So it will be 25 players are there who like only tennis. No one playing cricket in this 25 students. So question number 8 will be homework, and now exercise 1.6 is finished. Now try to do the example before this exercise and after this exercise also, miscellaneous one. And I take a live class and then after we discuss the miscellaneous exercise. Thank you all of you.